everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Diwali to you and your family. And now coming back to this look, I have created this for Diwali and it is a beginner friendly makeup look. I have used the products that lie in drugstore category, like most of the products in drugstore category, and I have created this look for the second time. You all know, those who follow me on Instagram, I have lost my SD card and this look was there in that. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start my makeup with primer, of course, and I'm gonna use the same one, Nykaa Prep Me. I am loving this primer, it's so good.
And before moving ahead, I'm gonna tie my hair because they are disturbing me a lot.
And now I'm gonna color correct. This is the most important part. I never do my makeup without color corrector because even skin tone, that's what I need. So I am going to cancel out this darkness and I'm going to fast forward this process because it is same. I take this PAC Take Cover Concealer. This is the exact match of my skin tone. If not, then you can use any orange lipstick or peach lipstick or a peach color corrector. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro HD foundation. This is the illuminating foundation and I am going to use this foundation because I want something luminous on my skin. So this is illuminating and this makes my skin dewy and glowy. This is what I need on festive days, on wedding days. So yes, and I'm not gonna use much. I'm just gonna dot it a little everywhere. I've taken half the pump size. And now one thing which I love to do on these days, this is like a tip that I'm sharing with you. You can use any facial oil on your foundation and just blend your foundation. It will blend like dreams and it will give you a very glowy and hydrating kind of skin effect. This is what I love and you can see what I do. I'm gonna drop it like this, a little on my nose, on my chin, like now I'm just touching it this way, and then taking this flat brush, I'm just gonna buff this foundation. See how easy it is to blend it, and can you see this glow on my face? For concealer, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild concealer. This is a really good concealer. Now to set my base, for my loose powder, I'm gonna use this Lakme 925 loose powder. It is illuminating powder as well, so it is like apt for this festive season and it is a very lightweight powder. For my brows today, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 gel eyeliner and brow thing. Now for my eye makeup, I'm gonna do a very simple eye makeup, not using so many colors because I want to make this look basic and helpful for all my new friends, for beginners, and I definitely want this eye look to be quick. So yes, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild palette, again very affordable palette, and I think it comes under rupees 500 or something, and it has these all beautiful shades and these all are neutrals. So first I'm gonna take this brown color as my transition color and I'm just quickly gonna apply it all over. And now I'm gonna take this slightly darker color and I'm gonna apply it on my outer corners. Yes, that's it for the eyes, and now I'm gonna apply glitters because glitter is like a very easy thing to do with your eyes. You just apply glitter and you are done for the day. So just to make this look easy, I'm gonna apply glitters. And now for glitter, I'm gonna use the same Eye Magic palette. This is not a drugstore palette, but I have to include this palette because I think this is the best glitter palette that I've found. So yes. And now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use kajal and I'm gonna thickly apply it on my lower lash line. And the kajal that I'm using is from Faces Canada, and this is their magnetized. All you need to do is first fill in your lash line with this, and you can see how black this is. And upper lash line too. And now I'm gonna take this angular brush. It is a very easy trick. All you need to do is just take this brush and move it like this way. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna drag it like this, making it a wing. And I'm gonna do same here as well. You can see I'm taking this brush like this way, making it thick. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna extend it like this way, making it a wing. Taking the same transition color, which is like a very light brown sort of color, this one, I'm gonna take it on this flat blending brush, dusting off the excess, and I'm gonna smoke up this kajal. This is just because I don't want this kajal to settle down in my fine lines, so I'm gonna powder it. So again, I'm gonna use a very affordable palette for contouring. Like, I'm not gonna sharply contour my face, but I'm gonna bronze it up because I like bronzed face. I need some shadow, and this is what my makeup is all about. So this is the Makeup Revolution palette. It is such an amazing palette. It comes in like this. It has a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer, contour, whatever you want to call it, because it is a very light shade, so it works really well. And this is how this palette looks like. And because this is a beginner makeup look, so I'm not gonna make it difficult or harsh for you guys. I'm gonna take it little, and now all you need to do is, you see your cheekbone here, just press it like this way. You need a little shadow on your face, otherwise it looks plain and pale. And you'll see how instantly it will change one side of my face. So just look at this. You can see this shadow. This is what I'm talking about. And here you can see it's plain. This side is looking much better than this one. Now for blush, again I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution palette, but let me tell you, this blush, this one, it has some glitter particles in it. If you like matte blush, then this is not your kind of blush. But how I like to use is, I first apply a matte blush and then I top it with this one. So for matte blush, I have this Color Bar one. It is an awesome shade. I love it so much. It is a sort of mud kind of blush, like mud and coral. I don't know, but it is so beautiful. Yes, and now once I'm done with the matte one, I like to dip my brush like this way and apply it like this. Can you see that luminous thing on my cheeks? Like, they are glowing. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna use the same one. It is a lovely highlighter. For my inner corners, I'm gonna use the same golden glitter. Now I'm gonna complete this look by applying some lipstick, and this one is from MAC and I'm in the shade Meher. It is a very pretty shade. Alright guys, so that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and this video is kinda helpful for you all. If any one of you recreate this look, then please do not forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is right there on the screen. If you have any other query or recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.